Breakfast is here! I am hungry!
Let's eat together.
Good morning, everyone.
I got pancakes! I got burgers!
Everything smells great.
Wait, what is that?
A turtle? It is so tiny! Poor little thing.
How did it get here?
It looks scared.
We should help him. Sea turtles belong in the ocean. But first, we keep him safe.
Let's name him Donnie! That is cute!
Hello, Donnie.
Welcome home, little guy. We need sand and water.
And a lamp! Donnie needs a nice home.
Good choices.
The sand looks nice. Donnie likes the water. Careful with him.
He looks happy now.
He is adorable! Look at him swim!
He is getting stronger.
Good job, Donnie.
That bird looks strange. It keeps staring.
Probably curious. Close the window.
The bird is back!
It wants Donnie!
Protect the turtle!
Quick!
Check the kitchen!
Not here! Look under the table!
Keep searching!
Donnie is gone! Oh no! Search everywhere! I hear something! In this room!
Open the door slowly.
Careful.
There he is!
And the bird! Shoo!
Leave Donnie alone!
There he is!
And the bird! Shoo!
Leave Donnie alone!
The bird is crazy!
Catch Donnie!
The bird is crazy!
Catch Donnie! I got him!
Thank goodness.
Are you okay, Donnie?
Poor turtle. That was scary. Very scary.
Donnie needs the ocean soon.
Yes. I will miss him. Me too.
We helped him. That matters.
That was scary. Very scary.
Donnie needs the ocean soon.
Yes. Goodbye, Donnie. That was scary. Very scary.
Donnie needs the ocean soon.
Yes. Goodbye, Donnie. Look at him go!
He is brave.
Nature is amazing.
Yes.
We made it! Yay! I am emotional.
Me too. I will never forget Donnie.
Best turtle ever. We did something good.
Together.
The ocean looks peaceful.
Donnie is happy now.
That is important.
Very important.
Goodbye, Donnie! We love you! Goodbye!